What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? This is Smooth One of Smooth One Productions. Check this out. Wow, it's like 6:50 a.m. I got some things I got to take care of today, work-wise, otherwise. But it's like this. Everybody, I'm feeling a little different about a lot of stuff. Um, first off, when I'm capturing video for people, I gotta be compensated for my time. If I'm doing the photography, it's gotta be compensated somehow. I can't just keep spending hours standing behind the camera doing nothing. Not doing nothing, but for nothing. Exposure is one thing, but compensating for my time, that's very important. And also, moving further, whatever content that I capture for someone and it has copyrighted music in it, it's going to take me longer to get it to you because I'm not posting it up on social media. I'm not posting it up on my YouTube because it has copyrighted music in it and I will get copyright strikes. So you would have to wait for me to shrink the file down and get the file to you, and you can post it wherever you're going to post it with the copyrighted music. I'm not posting it. Now, when people start putting posts on my Facebook page, check this out. I do a lot of freelance photography with models and their children. So you're going to have to stop putting the FU, SMD, and all the disrespectful types of videos on my timeline. Actually, what I would do is I told everybody, and it's October, so I've already taken myself out of about 25 Facebook groups. I'm going back in there. I'm going to take myself out of a lot more Facebook groups. And check this out. All these people on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok that are friends of my family members and friends, I'm going to unfriend you because we have nothing in common besides the mutual friend that's a good friend of mine or probably my family member. I'm no longer putting up with crazy posts. I will snooze you for 30 days and I will continuously snooze you for 30 days because your post might be a little too over the top. Certain things that people have, you send that to people in Messenger. Don't post it up on my Facebook page because people look at my Facebook and whatever they see on Facebook, they automatically assume I'm down with it. I'm not down with everything. I deal with things in moderation. I deal with things with respect and class. But if it's derogatory and sleazy, I can't have it on my page because I deal with models and I deal with models' children. That's not a good look for me. Not that withstanding things go on, things happen, but you have to have respect. Everybody talking about licking this and sucking that and pounding this and pounding that. If that's the case, why don't y'all create a platform where y'all can talk a platform called Dirty Talk? Not Facebook. Facebook is for networking, for people to try to network business wise. I deal with photography, I deal with videography, I'm trying to deal with models, I'm trying to deal with designers, I'm trying to deal with fashion shows and stuff like that. But all that raunchy stuff, I'm trying to deal with music artists and stuff like that, but I'm not with the raunchy stuff. I don't really care about the sex talk. Sex talk is personal talk. That's bedroom talk. Not to be posted up on my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok every day, all day. I don't need to see that. Oh no, I'm not gay. I'm in a relationship. I'm just dealing with it. But come on. Who wants to see that every day on their page? Like, I'm thinking about the next photo shoot, photo meetup, studio shoot, or maybe a music video shoot, or maybe a business type thing, or sports or something, or advertisement or something like that. I don't care about who's sticking who and who's sucking who and who's licking who and who's getting it doggy style and all that. I really don't care about that. That's your personal business. Should not be on my Facebook page. Now, with that going forward, hopefully everybody has a safe and blessed Monday. Smooth One Production. If you want headshots, photography headshots, I'm a freelance photographer, videographer. You can hit me up on Instagram at DJ Smooth B. You can hit me up on TikTok at Cameraman256. My YouTube is BARNEL, and I have another one is BARRY space NELSON. Y'all take care. Be safe. Have a safe, wonderful week. Don't go on straight impulse. Think about before you're doing something, because ain't nothing cooking when you in the bookings. Smooth One Productions, I'm out.